Hello YouTube viewers, thank you so much for tuning in, and today I would like to share with you a bed that I was working on for my miniature oriental creation. What I did was I took this old bed and I removed the bedspread and the pillows. I found myself a nice piece to dress up as the mattress, and this is what I came up with. I also took some of the dark fabric and I made this piece here. It's like another pillow. I closed it up with fabric glue. I used this type of glue here. And I also cut another piece to serve as some type of blanket. So this goes here at the end. I also did sew my own pillowcases by thread and needle, but I closed it up on the other side with the same fabric glue. So I came up with that. Then I also have the white, one of the white fabrics that Esther gave me. This one, beautiful fabric, and I folded it up and it goes right here in the middle here. So I cannot wait to share the entire creation with you. Now up here, what I did was I took some of that dark fabric and I took a hole puncher to punch in the holes into the fabric and be able to affix it to the top as a canopy. So that is how I came up with that. So now we have a nice new bed from the new fabric, and you will see it again in the upcoming creation. So I hope that you will enjoy that. Stay tuned, and thank you so much for watching.